Hey guys, Terry with Computer Pro. Another quick update. We see the light at the end of the tunnel. We're just about there. So we still have to build out some more countertops and bench, but got a lot of progress though. Like I said, we got the carpeting in. You know that before. We got our front counter in, which was a pain. It does come in 4 sections, but they're very, very, very heavy. So, but we got that in. Got the electrical pole up. Got some banners up and so forth, so I think it's coming along. We still have to get our water cooler. There's still a lot of cleanup stuff left to go, but got our open sign hung up. The awnings, I guess, are coming tomorrow or Tuesday, so that we're really, really excited about. So we still have to do something. This is a customer seating area, like we said before. We're gonna have a water cooler there and a couple other pieces of art or something, I guess. It's got some computer posters over here. Front counter, we were kind of worried, remember, about it cut in half in the carpet and stuff, but you know, there's nothing that can be done. It looks okay, you know what I mean? It is what it is, but because we wanted that the barrier. We don't want people just walking in back, you know, where the client equipment is and so forth, so it serves its purpose. See what else did we get accomplished here. The tech bar deal, we didn't. We still have to put a TV up or a whiteboard and all that kind of stuff. So we're still not 100% sure about that yet. But the tech area, we're getting there. You know, we're getting there. We're going to have another one. We started building the grid wall for it already over here. It's going to be either an L or an L. We'd like to do another piece this way, which would kind of mimic this. This is still kind of raw. It doesn't have baseboard. We do have baseboard on one piece over here though, which is kind of nice. Makes all the difference in the world. See our old blue showing? So that's going to be all covered with wall base, like this here. Ignore the electrical. That's our temporary way of operating. But at any rate, we got it pretty much set. As you guys know, those triangles I did, I think I said in the other video, this got around our having to cut the countertops in a weird angle, so we just used that and it worked out really good. You know, we can hang our CDs from it, all our stuff, shelving. Gridwall lets you do everything with it. We zip tie our monitors, zip tie power, everything gets zip tied to it. So we got our workstations all set, laptop stuff. We still got to get other monitors and stuff like that up on this bench, but this is a 12-footer here, so it's pretty. A lot of workspace. Once we get the setup over there and in the back, there'll be a whole lot of workspace. So, what else do we do here? Oh, this with grid wall, you can't span over like 8 feet. So this is, you might wonder what this is. This is because if we have just an 8-foot, well, they only come 8, so 8 and a 4 to make a 12-foot section. It's gonna wobble. It's gonna wobble quite a bit. It has to have some sort of support. So we got this here, so it can span properly and still have a lot of support. We wired in. This is our, you know, we checked from our electrical supplier, 150 bucks, well, 148 or something for an electrical pole, a square metal pole that has, you know, openings for proper sockets for electrical and so forth. But a 12-foot section, which is what our ceilings are, 140 some bucks, 148 bucks. And this pipe, it was gray when we got it. We painted it. It came from Home Depot, $5.60 or something like that. You know, got some pipe clamps for $1.80 a package or something. And of course, the magic zip tie with grid wall. We zip tied it right to the grid wall. It's sturdy. We cut a hole, we ran our electrical here, so our electrical goes up, so it served our purpose like a retail pole. But instead of 148 bucks, it's $5 and some change, so it worked out good. Zip tied this here, and then what we did is we got our switch going here. All these here are going to feed, I have to set that up, they're going to feed the other side of the bench over here. But what I did, I decided to just zip tie the modular plug right to I was going to try to do boxes, but you know what, I think it's fine like this. So all these are feeding and having drops. There's like a drop here you can see, black of course, and I just zip tied it tight. A drop here, I think there's three on this bench. And there should be 4 on these benches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4 on this guy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So that's pretty much what I did. We just modular plug, zip tied it all up, and it ran to the switch here, and I just crimped an end and plugged it right in the switch. So it's neat, tidy. Like I said, the other end will fan down, go that way, and it'll feed that bench. Now what that's doing, that goes up the pole, round back, it goes over to here, and it's going to tie in one of our ports in the switch here. So in other words, one port feeds the bench, one port goes to our sonic wall, one port goes to, we got a music streamer. That's what that guy is. That's just a receiver, so it can matrix out. We have to put it in matrix mode to get equal sound out, but we got a little speaker up there, put a speaker in the corner there. I don't know if you can see it. I wired one up way in the corner up there. It's a secret to retail, guys, background music. It's subliminal, believe it or not. When you don't have music playing, this is the difference. And I don't know if you guys can hear it. You probably can, but you're waiting on clients. And a lot of people don't realize this. They don't have I go in so many places, smaller places, they don't have it, but it's literally like this. It's like, "Can I help you, sir?" And you turn music off and it's just silent. Just silent. And it just doesn't seem right. It's just not right. You got to have background music. In a store when you get enough customers, you got to have background music. That's the secret. But anyways, so gigabit switch feeding each section. So one is feeding our main bench here. One is going to feed the other bench on the other side. One's going to feed our office. One's going to feed the bench setup that we do back here. We're going to do another L back here. And that's it. And we'll have a couple ports left. So that's pretty much it for that. Like I said, the tech bar, we're not sure yet. We can get either whiteboard, TV, something. But anyway, that's our progress so far. So we definitely see the light at the end of the tunnel. We still have a bunch of client equipment at our old shop. We're kind of half and half. We're working on a few things here and a bunch of stuff there. But I think we're ready to move it all here and make this a working deal. So that's it for now. Hopefully the next one will be the final one finally, and I'll have our awnings up and everything else done. So see ya.